Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 1.3 question number 7. Write three numbers whose decimal expansions are non-terminating and non-recurring also. Let us find. Here you see, if you write a number like this will be non-terminating and non-recurring like this. For example, we are taking a number like 0.0.50, right? 10. Again we are writing 500. Again we are writing 500. 1, 2, 3. Again we are writing 5 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if we continue with this way, then this will be non-terminating and non-recurring decimal, right? This is number 1. If we try another number like this, it will also be a non-terminating and non-recurring. For example, 0.720. 10. Again we are writing 72. 2 zeros. Again we are writing 72. 3 zeros. Again we are writing 72. 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this way, if we continue the numbers, these numbers will be non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Let us take another example. For example, we are taking a number like 0.0810. Then again we are taking 20. 0, 0, 8. Again we are taking 30. 0, 0, 0, 8. Again we are taking 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. And if we continue this number, then this number or this decimal will be non-terminating and non-recurring decimal, right? Therefore, the three numbers, the three numbers, the above three numbers, the three numbers whose decimal expansions, whose decimal expansions are non-terminating, non-terminating and non-terminating, non-recurring are the above numbers. Non-recurring are the above decimal numbers. Above decimal numbers. In this way, you can find many decimals which are non-terminating and non-recurring decimal. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.